All right, so currently on the CDT in Chama, New Mexico. Soon going to be heading north into Colorado and leaving New Mexico behind. But I just wanted to do a short video about how much I loved New Mexico. It is a really special state and the hiking is excellent. The boot heel down where I started the Crazy Cook Monument was interesting enough with just a wide open vast desert. But it's interesting because that is kind of how I thought most of New Mexico was. Just being from New York, I had kind of an ignorance about the Southwest. So I thought, yeah, New Mexico, giant desert, Colorado, big mountains, and so forth. But really, New Mexico has it all. So I started out in the desert and then moved up into the hills, and there's some rolling hills with some beautiful flora and fauna. And then all of a sudden I'm in the Gila, which is probably one of my favorite sections of trail that I've ever hiked in my life. It was just really incredible, from being able to just feel like a powerful man, or whatever you want to call that, just having that primal feeling of just going in and out of canyons, fording rivers constantly, and then just being able to hang out in hot springs all the time. But I did not even know that New Mexico had hot springs, so that's another thing. Giant canyons, big rivers, lush green forest, huge mountains, really high elevations, snow, tons and tons of stuff about New Mexico that I didn't know, especially the people. Everybody in New Mexico is so nice. Room rates are pretty cheap. They give so many discounts to hikers. Getting hitches is very easy here. Everybody waves at you. So many people stop and ask you if you want any water or beer or schnapps or a pineapple or anything. So everybody is really incredible. There's so many trail angels on this trail that have been so nice to me and my friends, just giving us places to stay for free, taking us out to dinner, or even lunch and dinner multiple times in the same day, just giving us different trail magic and stuff. The people are awesome. I don't want to say it's unexpected, because I don't think there's a bad rap about New Mexico. It's just I was surprised by how amazing everybody has been to me, and I really appreciate it. So if you have given me trail magic or are a trail angel watching, thank you so much. And if you are from New Mexico or have lived there at any time, you should be proud of your state, because this place is awesome. And it was a great warm-up for the much tougher terrain coming up. So I loved hiking in New Mexico, and I will be glad to come back someday. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the videos that I had of that. So that was because of the alternates I took. I finished this part of the trail in 660 miles continuous. So that's a pretty good long stretch, and it was a nice time. So that's my ode to New Mexico. Just really had a great time, and I love this state. And I will be glad to come back and visit sometime soon. There's still plenty of things I need to see, because there's so much more about this state that I couldn't even see on the trail. So on to the next chapter, on to Colorado, and excited for what's to come, but also loving what I just did. The CDT is great.